Well, actually, it's time to switch to the other side because I picked most of them on this side.
Susan is out here in the garden picking blackberries. Look at those blackberries. Show those to us, Susan. Wow, look at that. Mm-hmm. And I saw
they're really nice.
There's a ripe one there.
Yeah, it's kind of a, pardon me, I'm picking the big ones now.
She's getting picky. Here's one right here.
I've got a lot of them.
There's a beauty right there. I saw that coming up across the garden here.
The big ones are on the other side right now. I have picked all the plump ones.
Oh boy, look at that.
Okay, well let's go to the other side. I'll have to get a different container.
Oh man, I see these. I go crazy.
Okay, well let's go to the other side where I can get choice berries.
Okay, I'm going to pause. I'm just going to make a break here. Well, here we get a picture going through. Look at her tomato plants. Holy cow!
Oh, the tomatoes.
This first one wasn't staked. It blew over. We came back out here and set stakes the other day.
I think it recovered.
It recovered just great. She watered it good.
I've got pumpkins growing there. I've got plenty of weeds.
Pumpkin vines.
And butternut squash, which is climbing, and cucumbers.
And cucumbers, man. Look at the flowers on those cucumbers.
Oh, yeah. I got one cucumber. Probably, it's not real big, but it'll work for just slicing. I've never had this weedy.
Bush beans here.
Never had this weedy garden, but I do this year.
Oh, don't worry about it. We'll come out here and dig them out with the red max again.
I'll let it go just a little longer.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Let me zoom on that. Put your hand. Oh, man. Didn't look at that.
It's a long one. Longer than my
long cucumber.
reach of my hand.
Oh, boy, these tomatoes are something else. They're 7 feet tall.
Well, that's a variety that's indeterminate.
Wow. And look in there, man. We got maters.
Lots of maters coming on. No ripe ones.
Well, we got to pick up that fence post before I run into it with the red max.
Well, would you mind?
But yeah, I'm gonna have to run over these all again. This is what, dill?
Dill.
Dill.
It's ready to bring in. I'm gonna dry it.
And more bush beans right here.
Terribly
more bush
weedy.
beans there. The potatoes are
finishing out.
And look at these pole beans.
They probably
would still. What, 2 kinds of beans here in the pole beans?
No, just one.
Just one. Anyway, those are rattlesnake beans. Let me move my shadow out of there. Rattlesnake beans. Going to zoom in on that for a good look. And they are good. I got to tell you, they are good. And brought her a ladder out. I shouldn't let her on a ladder, but I can't stop her.
Okay, these are super sauce tomatoes, and they are super productive. That is just the meatiest tomato.
Yeah, look at that.
I love that variety for cooking sauces. They can be slicers because they're big, but they're really a sauce tomato. Oh, I got my 2 token eggplants to eat.
Oh, we got banana peppers here?
There's banana peppers. There's poblano over here.
Hold on, let me get a shot of these banana peppers. There, you can see banana peppers in there.
Something's going on.
Oh, and this is, oh my gosh, look at the size of that poblano.
Which we can roast.
I'm trying to see it in the viewfinder. I don't have my reading glasses. Yeah, look at that baby. My gosh, that's a beautiful
There's supposed
pepper.
to be mammoth jalapenos in here, but I don't know. Something wacky's going on. I don't know if we got drift or if there's another problem.
Yeah, that is herbicide drift.
I've got it on all of it, so I'm kind of going to assume that.
I think they sprayed this bean field across the road from us.
Anyway. Oh, I do have a mammoth jalapeno.
Yeah, you can look.
Hey,
that is definitely herbicide drift there.
Well, anyway, somewhere in here there's some mammoth jalapenos. Right here, maybe it's going to get bigger. They don't look any bigger than normal.
Oh man, they
don't look any bigger than normal to me.
Those are beauties.
Yeah, they look about the same to me as they look.
Those are nice.
Okay. I have a. Is this my purple one? Yeah.
Oh man, let me get a shot of that.
My purple pepper.
Peppers, or no, is that purple pepper? It's not an eggplant?
No.
Oh my gosh, it looks like an eggplant.
No, it's a purple
pepper. It's a purple pepper.
Which is, I planted a package that said it was kaleidoscope. I only ended up with one color.
One-eyed, one-horn, flying purple pepper.
Picker. I don't know. Those are going to be a lipstick pepper, and they will turn red. They're just not ready, along with all the other weeds. Like I said, have never had this many weeds.
That's going to be a lipstick pepper. It will turn red.
It will turn red.
And that one too.
Yeah. Well, it was so hot.
These are habaneros down here.
Yeah, and I had that awful bout with the tick problem, so I didn't get out here and weed.
Susan's on antibiotics. She got a.
I shouldn't be out here in the sun.
She got a tick disease. She's taking antibiotics. We're not sure which one it is. It's either ehrlichiosis or babesiosis. We're kind of thinking.
Well, we don't know.
Babesiosis
We don't
because
know.
of the symptoms have been very malaria-like with repeated chills.
Hence, your garden doesn't get weeded very well when you don't feel good and it's
Yeah,
100 degrees. Sweet potatoes.
She got tick bit and then got sick as a dog.
Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes over here.
You know I get tick bit all the time, but this one.
Yeah, this one got
real.
her. She.
Oh, look, Japanese beetles and a stink
Oh,
bug,
man.
all in the same frame.
Hang on, let me.
See, there's your stink bug, there's your
Hold on.
Japanese beetle. Oh,
Oh,
there he
I'm
went.
gonna flick him.
He beat you.
Doggone stink bugs.
And the
Stink
Japanese.
bugs are stink bugs are a true bug. They have piercing, sucking mouth parts, and they wreck your plants.
And so do the Japanese
And
beetles.
Japanese
Well, they're
beetles.
starting
Japanese
to lace this.
beetles are eaters. They have a jaw.
Look, they're lacing the top of those again. They come out in the morning when it's hot and really.
Yeah, and yeah, you
Go
can
after
see
it.
you can see those leaves up there getting laced. That's Japanese beetles doing that.
Okay, let's move
But
on.
yeah, the stink bugs, those are piercing, sucking mouth parts. And they are sucky insects. We don't like them. Let's run around here and boy, look at the
I'm gonna
nice
have to look it up.
daylilies.
I'm
Oh,
wondering
look
if
at
this one is called Laughing Giraffe. I kind of think it might be, but I can't
Laughing
remember.
giraffe.
I can't find the tag. I don't really know.
Oh, there's a
But I
little-
like it.
There's a
It's-
little solitary bee
Yeah, it has
on
bloomed
that one.
a long time.
I don't know my bee species. That's not a honeybee. That's a little solitary bee of some kind.
Oh, come over.
Pretty little thing. Okay, we're gonna run around. She's gonna pick some more. We're gonna follow her around. She's gonna pick more blackberries on the other
I gotta
side.
ask you, is that not an outstanding daylily? I love
That
the
is
color
a-
of that one.
That is a lovely daylily. Look at that. Nice.
Of course, I could say that about a lot of them.
Yeah, they're all. Oh, look at that yellow one there.
Pretty
We're gonna zoom on that one.
This one probably.
That is gorgeous.
this
And
one
look at
needs
this
to be-
one. What do we call it? Is that purple?
I don't know what you want to
I'm
call
not
it.
sure what
I
that.
think
That's
it's
not
one of the
quite
chief
purple. I'm not sure what
series.
that is. That color
This
is.
one needs dividing. The flower is much smaller than it should be. It was
Okay,
it's
she-
Firestorm,
so
but
she'll
it's not.
pop this out and divide that one.
Start it over again.
Oh, and look at the colors on this
Yeah,
one.
that's a
This is
pretty one.
gorgeous. Oh
I gotta
my
have another
gosh.
container. I can't pick any more into this. Let's go just investigate.
Well, let's go look at what we've got over here. You have to pick these berries when they get like this because we have turkeys come up in the yard and they bring their little babies. Those turkeys are little babies now, are about the size of a good chicken, and they can get right up in here and eat every berry. That has happened to us. Oh boy,
One of them
look
out
at
of the
that.
cluster I'm going to take.
isn't that beautiful? I hear
dogs.
the dogs
I
crying.
think we're
to
going
go
to
out.
have
We're
to go
gonna
in
have
and
to
let
quit.
them out. This is Japanese beetle damage.
Here, look, hold it. Yeah, that's Japanese beetle damage there. Nasty little blighters.
I'm going to put on some more insect
You better put
repellent.
on insect. Oh man,
I
look at-
did, but I'm going
you
to put
can't
on.
have that berry. I'm gonna
Okay, I'm
I'm gonna
put on-
grab both. Here, we're gonna grab
Right, that's fine.
grab both of these. We're gonna eat those right now.
But at any rate, I'm going to go reapply my insect
Mm.
repellent because
Mm.
this looks like Tick City. Look, guys,
Ticks and chiggers.
this is
You
good.
want ticks and chiggers? This
That's
is,
really good berry.
that is a great berry. Mm. Juicy, sweet. Here's,
Well, they're all
you get
pretty.
that one. I'll get this one right here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, look at some of them back in there.
Oh, there's some good ones in there.
Yeah, I'll come back with more.
Hmm.
I'll come back with more protection here.
Well, that's all for right now. We are
hey,
going
they are
to
thornless though.
because our dogs are.
Look at those.
Oh man, look at. Let me zoom on that handful.
Those are
Oh,
thorn.
wow.
But because they're thornless, you don't really mind picking them.
Man, oh man.
Just fall off the.
Now we're going to get off here. We've got dogs wanting to be walked. You can hear them talking to us from the house.
So we better go.
And man, there's a bunch of ripe berries. And you better call Sally. She might need some of these.
She has her own. I gave her starts.
Okay. Okay.
Not that I wouldn't share, but she does have some.
She's got her own berries now. Okay. Well, thank you all for visiting. That's the Susan Garden update for the last day of June 2024.
Wow.
Bye-bye.